Namaskar and Jai Hind. Welcome to the Defense Digest, your frontline source for tracking India's ascent as a global strategic power. This week, Delhi didn't just make headlines, it fundamentally reshaped alliances. We are talking groundbreaking nuclear deals in the Gulf, massive investments to secure our borders, and indigenous rocket systems making waves across the world. India is powering up its strategic autonomy. Let's dive into the core of this transformation. We start with a monumental diplomatic victory. India and the UAE have agreed to dramatically deepen nuclear cooperation, locking in a mega defense pact. This is about more than just trade, it's about solidifying a strategic security pillar in the Gulf, enhancing New Delhi's regional influence and access to sensitive technology. Simultaneously, the European Union has greenlit a major security and defense partnership with India. Formalizing ties with this powerful bloc marks a crucial diversification of our security architecture, proving India is now indispensable on the global strategic chessboard. Next, let's look at hard numbers securing our frontiers. India has sanctioned a massive 79,000 crore rupees defense push. This investment is laser-focused on enhancing readiness and filling critical gaps along the northern and western borders. From new drones and missiles to advanced electronic warfare systems, this massive outlay ensures our forces are equipped to deter and neutralize threats from China and Pakistan, maintaining strategic superiority where it matters most. The Indian Air Force is signaling a clear, ambitious procurement strategy. It views the Rafale and next-generation stealth fighters like the Su-57 not as alternatives but as complementary assets. The IAF is working to fill squadron shortages with proven 4.5 generation jets while simultaneously prioritizing the acquisition of 5th generation stealth technology. This dual-track approach guarantees India maintains technological superiority well into the future. The Make in India success story continues its spectacular rise. DRDO's indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system is now being exported to Armenia. This is a landmark achievement, cementing India's reputation as a reliable and high-quality defense exporter. Speaking of making in India, Nagpur is set to host Dassault's second-largest global Rafale plant, with an annual capacity of 24 jets. This plant is crucial for delivering the pending 114-jet order, significantly accelerating indigenization and boosting our aerospace manufacturing ecosystem. Finally, securing our supply chain autonomy. A major Indian defense company is investing a crucial 500 crore rupees into a domestic chip plant. Chips are the backbone of modern electronic warfare and weapon systems, and this investment is a critical step toward shielding our defense sector from global supply chain volatility. Meanwhile, the crucial Tejas fighter program continues its development journey. While Mk1 deliveries face production bottlenecks, the focus is rapidly shifting to the more capable Tejas Mark II, ensuring India's premier indigenous fighter program remains firmly on track for future air defense needs. What an incredible week for Bharat! From groundbreaking diplomatic achievements in the Middle East and Europe to securing multi-billion rupee deals for our forces, India is relentlessly pursuing its goal of becoming a net security provider and a defense manufacturing powerhouse. If you believe in a stronger, self-reliant India, hit that like button and share this news. Don't miss our continuous coverage, subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay safe and Jai Hind.